Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Good morning, a warm welcome. Thanks for watching Kalkine TV. This is Sage. We've got the ASX buzzing, stocks for the day for you. The Australian shares opened higher on Tuesday despite Wall Street closing on a weak note in the overnight trading session. The ASX 200 gained in the opening trade, rising 11.10 points or 0.16%. On Monday, the benchmark index fell 0.2%, while the All Ordinaries index rose 0.112%. The volatility index fell 0.096%. After the first 10 minutes of trade, the ASX 200 was trading up 32.40 points or 0.45%. And after half an hour, the benchmark index ASX 200 was trading higher again, 0.47% or 33.90 points. The top gainers were Virgin Money up 14.9%, TechnologyOne was up 4.3% and Whitehaven up 2.9%. On the other hand, the decliners were Block down 4.48%, Bapcor down 3.06% and De Grey Mining down 2.7%. Taking a look at the sectors, 9 of 11 sectors were trading higher along with the ASX 200 index. Materials was the best performing sector. And on to the announcements. Brickworks delivered strong financial results in financial year 22 with record underlying profit of $746 million, up 159% on the prior year. All 4 divisions delivered higher earnings, and the contribution from property was again a standout with the completion of a number of developments and strong demand for its prime industrial land, driving a significant increase in the value of its portfolio. In July, Brickworks launched the Brickworks Manufacturing Trust, which is a natural extension of its strategy to maximise the value of the land assets. And Brickworks also delivered strong growth in North America. Following a number of acquisitions, the company built a business of significant scale and strong market position since its entry just 4 years ago. This has been achieved despite the disruption of the COVID pandemic. Over the past 12 months, it built the asset base considerably and paid down debt, resulting in its gearing reducing to 15%. And Brickworks said that a fully franked final dividend of 41 cents per share is payable to shareholders tomorrow. This takes the full year dividend to 63 cents per share, being up 3% on the prior year. And over the past 20 years, Brickworks have increased its dividend at a compound rate of 7.1% per annum. Next on the list, TechnologyOne today announced its financial results for the year ended 30th September 2022. The company reported its 13th consecutive year of record profit, record revenues and record SaaS fees. Ed Chung, the CEO of TechnologyOne, said the company's ability to deliver these results is due to TechnologyOne's clear vision, strategy, culture and its significant investment in R&D, that's research and development. And TechnologyOne exceeded its ambitious annual recurring revenue targets and ended the legacy licenses. The TechnologyOne Global SaaS ERP solution is exceeding its expectations, with customers driving the SaaS annual recurring revenue, or ARR, of $274.2 million, being up 43%. And this is record growth for the company, as is its total ARR of $320.7 million, which is up 25% as well. Its profit after tax was also up 22%, and TechnologyOne announced a special dividend of 2.0 cents per share, in addition to its final dividend of 10.82 cents per share. Great news for the shareholders of TechnologyOne, and the dividend for the full year has increased to 17.02 cents per share, being up 22% on the prior year, and in line with its net profit after tax, or NPAT, growth of 22%. So financial year 22 was a year in which Bravura returned to revenue growth in an increasingly difficult market environment. The global pandemic has created some unprecedented industry challenges over the last 2 years, and Bravura said its global markets, particularly wealth managers in EMEA, have been strategically quiet, reflecting reduced appetite for the long-term investments. There was a reduced interest in large-scale software implementations in the United Kingdom and a slowdown in development work for existing clients. And during June, Bravura announced the appointment of Libby Roy as Bravura's CEO and Managing Director after Nick Parsons stepped down from his role. And Nick's contribution as the CTO and COO was instrumental in building Bravura into an industry-leading software solutions provider to many of the world's leading financial institutions. Bravura said during Nick's short tenure, he played a valuable role in preparing the company for its next phase of growth. Shows how strongly companies rely on a strong C-suite. All right, well, thank you so much for joining us for this edition of the ASX Buzzing Stocks for the Day. Hope your day in trading goes well. Another episode will be coming your way without doubt. Until then, please keep it locked on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. Sage signing off.